Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install the OpenSSH client on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you need to do is right click on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. You want to select Apps on the left side, and then on the right side you want to go ahead and locate optional features and go ahead and left click on that. Where it says add an optional feature, select the view features button and go ahead and search for OpenSSH, and you want to check mark where it says OpenSSH client and then select next, select install. Okay, so now that it is installed, you should be good to go. Wouldn't hurt to restart your computer nonetheless, and that should be about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.